Hey friends, this is Atif Van and welcome to the Nifted on Zcash. On a 7 day time frame chart, you can see that the price of Zcash has already broken out this huge falling wedge pattern. By the way, I have been showing you this wedge even before the breakout when it was moving inside this smaller wedge before the breakout from this huge falling wedge pattern. And in those days, I was telling you that as soon as the price then breaks out this smaller wedge, then soon it can also break out the bigger falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that the price then broke it out, then retested the previous resistance of the small wedge as support and geared up and broke out the bigger wedge. Then we broke out another smaller wedge, this downtrend and resistance. And so far, if I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then you can see that the price line of Zcash has rallied more than 4,000 and 4,652%. That is a very, very massive rally. And now, recently on the daily time frame chart, it has also broken out this rising wedge pattern and also broke out this very, very long term uptrend line resistance as well, and found another resistance here at $750. And in today's video, I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Zcash that I shared a few days ago on 28th of October 2025. And so far, this signal has produced more than 130% very, very massive rally. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of October 2025 in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. Now let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Zcash that I shared on 28th of October 2025 with my members. And that is a bullish bad move that Zcash completed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup, buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line moved slightly down in this potential reversal zone, but it covered back. Then we had a very, very massive rally, and this was almost 131% very, very massive pump. Before that, we got another very massive pump in the month of September that was more than 676% rally. On 19th of September 2024, I shared this move. That was a bullish guardian move that Zcash completed on the daily time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. And this is the complete trade setup, buying zone, sell target zone, the stop loss. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price and drop more down, entered the buying zone here, then we had a very, very massive pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of Zcash, and this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that recently, a few days ago, we have broken out this rising wedge pattern. And when it was moving inside this wedge, in those days, I was telling you that despite this is considered as a bearish bias move, but momentum is very bullish. Therefore, there are more chances that the price and may break it out. And our technical target for this breakout, as per this measurement, the technical target was here, approximately at $750, and over there, the price and has found another resistance. And now, this uptrend line, previous resistance, can work as a very, very long-term support. And in order to continue this rally to the upside, we will need to break out this resistance of $750. So it is possible that while moving between this support and this resistance of $750, when it will be more squeezed, and this will be a kind of an ascending triangle, it may break out, and then we may have another rally from here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.